Hey y'all, it's Cliff with Giant Mechanic Scale Modeling. I was looking at my channel today, and I'm close to almost 100 subs. Whether I go over, whether I go not, whether it's over the weekend. I just wanted to say I'm going to do like a 100 sub giveaway. It's not going to be much, but with that being said, I still do have shop cards. I have like 78 shop cards still left in my possession. So anyway, if you have a shop card, want to swap, let me know. So, little bit of rules for some of this 100 subs thing. So basically, you do have to be subscribed to my page and verified. I don't know how some of the public stuff works or whatnot, but you do have to be subscribed to the page and verified. So in this particular video, leave a comment. Okay. Basically, it'll kind of be entered in there, whether you're new, whether you're not. I'll go back through, double check the subscriptions and make sure. So every comment, basically going down the line, I'm going to write a list, and then whatever number comments you are, so on and so forth, is going to be the number that you're going to get. So that, and I've also got another little separate giveaway, and I got a little bit of a story on the giveaway, which I'll so there's technically let's see, one, two, three, four prizes I'm giving away in my 100 sub. Basically make it to like 100 subs per se. With that being said, I'll probably do all this during a live stream. So, with all that being said, let's get into the prizes. So, we have a pair of Johnny Lightning barn finds, 1 out of 4,000. So, this one will probably be like third, second, whatever, but we got 2 of the barn finds. I just think they're cool. They're the same, but there's like, I think this one's a A and a B. Yeah, so this is an A version and a B version. So we got some Johnny Lightning, which is one of the things in the giveaway, partially goes with the channel. Now, the next part is we have another giveaway, which is a Matchbox car. Now, I don't know if this kind of falls under weird, but this particular Matchbox car right here is an Austin Healey 3000 or 63 Austin Healey Roadster. Now, the best part about this is there is a particular music video. It's part of a movie, which I will post a link in a description of the scene or out of the video. It's a UK video. It's from the 60s. It's called Gonk's on Beat or Gonk's Go Beat. So this particular Austin Healey is in this video. It's like a 3-minute video. I do have it written down. David DeGregory, he's the kid who's got the video on his YouTube account, even though it is a legit movie. It's like a full-length movie, not sure how long, but it's from the 60s. It's a British movie. It's one of them weird things. I read a thing on it that was saying it's probably one of the worst B movies in history, and like in the UK. So whatever, it is what it is. But it's still cool that this Matchbox car is one of the cars that do are posted in that video. Now, for like our top prize winner, and this goes for the guys who already have my limited run shop cards. So this next prizes are for the guys who already have the limited run shop cards. So, not for nothing, if you don't have one of my shop cards, then you're not entered. So, we have this, the Mars probe, and you also get a Johnny Lightning Corvette, 1 out of 25,000 from the McCann Muscle Car Corvette Nationals. So, this right here. So, if you are a shop card holder, I'm going to figure out who's got, granted, what number, and I'm going to run them in a number generator, which is how I'm going to do everything. But these two particular prizes are for those who have my shop card. Now, there's still a little bit of time to get a shop card. Like I said, these are a limited run shop card. If you haven't already seen them, this is what they are. And they're individually numbered on the back. So, that's not the particular one, but I'm just saying that's what I got. And if you got a shop card, like I said, be more than happy to swap, and you can go from there. So yeah. All right. Well, that's just more rules and stuff like that to follow. Like I was saying, I'll post a link to this prize right here, so you can go check out that video. And yeah, I'll whoever, like I said, names in the comment, I'll go down, write your name down, and give a number, and that's how we'll do it. And like I said, the only ones who got the shop card have my limited run shop card, and you all that have the limited run shop card are eligible for the Johnny Lightning Corvette and Mars probe. So I will definitely be in touch when we're actually doing this as far as the 100 subs. So I made this a little longer than I wanted to, but anyway, just want to say good luck, and thanks for watching, participating, and if and when I make 100 subs, well, this is what's going on. All right, so this is Cliff G. Mechanic Scale Modeling, signing off.